Welcome back to my channel guys. Kung hindi nyo pa ako kilala, ako po si Kuya86. Ngayon, sasama natin si Andre magpagabit ng camber bolt niya. Tsaka magka-car-wash din tayo kasi nag-snow kagabi. Kahapon hanggang kaninang umaga. Tapos, I'm also gonna do a full walk around kung ano yung mga mods ko dito sa kotse ko right now. Okay, samahan nyo kami guys. Yun guys, so kakatapos lang natin mag car wash. Ngayon naman, bigyan ko ng full walk around kung ano yung meron sa kotse ko right now. And guys, so ngayon, currently sa kotse ko right now, nakakapit yung TRD cookie kit, yung front lip, side skirts, saka yung rear diffuser nandito sa likod. Sakit lang siya sa ulo kasi laging natatanggal yung dikit nito, nakakainis. Nakalagay yung busy coilovers ko, si Andre. And nakalagay yung busy coilovers ko, which aalisin na sa April 28 kasi ilalagay na yung bugs ko. Meron din akong surikawa na nakalagay dito sa loob. Tsaka VR likewise na shift knob tsaka extender. At tsaka pala, in terms of engine bay, wala masyado. Pero meron akong doon. Tomei, ayun, kita nyo. Yung Tomei unequal length header. At tsaka meron din akong cutless front pipe. At tsaka yung TRD na cutback exhaust yung nandito sa likod. Sound check! So yun nga pala, cutless din pala yung yung headers ko. So fully cutless na ako guys. So ngayon nakatune na din tong car. Stage 2 plus para sa mga fully cutless na na exhaust. So simula headers hanggang sa doesn't matter kung may resonator pa rin kayo. Bumili ako ng carbon fiber, like you saw from my other video. Bumili akong carbon fiber parts dito sa engine bay para malinis tignan. Bago ko ikabit yun, papalinis ko muna to para walang dumi. Tapos, bumili rin ako ng underglow from Low Glow. Shoutout sa kanila kasi binigyan nila tayo ng magandang kit. Lalagay natin yan dito sa sa front lip, sa side skirts, at saka dito sa rear diffuser. Last one, bumili rin ako ng custom taillights, which you'll see in the future. Makita nyo sa future pagka naikabit ko na or pag dumating na. Okay, yun lang guys. Basically yun lang. Yung wheels ko pala hindi pa nakakabit. Kasi sabi ni Kuya Alex, mas prefer niya daw ikabit yung bugs pagka nasa stock wheels para pag na-calibrate, hindi siya tatama sa quarter panel or sa fender. Kasi minsan biglang bumabagsak yung bugs pagka hindi pa calibrated. So, yun, doble ingat lang. Kaya stock wheels muna tayo hanggang ngayon. What are we doing today, bro?
Today, guys, we're gonna be installing the SPC camber bolts.
Is that SPC? I thought it's white line, bro.
Oh no. SPC for the bottoms. I haven't ordered the ones for the top.
I see.
Yeah, my boy Val, you feel me?
Yeah,
Hooking it up, yes sir.
for sure.
Yo, Val, if anything, bro, I trust you more doing it. If I were to do it, just because bro, I feel like if I were to do it, there'd be like cracks and shit. Oh, and like water would get inside.
What, Bondo? If I were you, I wouldn't do it, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Why
cause
not, bro? Just leave it as is, bro.
yeah, it's a headache, bro.
True.
If you fuck it up, it'll look worse than
Yeah.
But right now, I don't know. It just looks like a clown, bro. It looks like a fucking clown nose, bro.
No, I don't mind it though, actually.
I mean, if it's far, like you won't be able to see it. But
Word.
I saw these Borla Anico length headers.
Yeah.
Selling it for a good price, bro. 620. Yeah. He's from Toronto, Ontario.
Oh shit,
No,
you have to pay for the
basically-
shipping then.
Yeah. Probably.
It's probably like $20.
Yeah, probably.
Someone bought it?
Like right away, within like 10 minutes of there.
If it's not for you, it's not for you, bro.
True.
You told me it's probably for you, bro. Like honestly.
Route?
Yeah, tell me, bro.
I'm not I'm not like this guy. This guy.
Shut up, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, so right now we're gonna change this one to this.
Like, oh, we just get really reviews, but like, oh, that's like really off.
My bad,
Oh,
bro.
you put it on? It's probably over torque.
Probably.
Yeah.
That shit's tight. Oh, there you go.
So what did you guys work on Nico's car?
Just need a breaker bar.
The brakes?
Yeah.
Oh, you guys changed the like.
So yeah guys, it's the next day. Ngayon, kukuha lang kami ng pagkain ng girlfriend ko. Kasi gutom na kami. And guys, samahan nyo kami. Okay. Can I get the Western barbecue quarter pounder? No pickles? Yeah, no pickles.
You want to just sandwich or you want a meal?
You guys have poutine now or
Oh no, we don't have to eat right now. Nothing else for you?
10-piece nuggets?
And the shipping sauce?
Habanero?
For sure.
And do you guys have now the coffee frap?
Sorry, what?
The coffee frap?
No, we don't have.
Okay, no worries. That's it.
Sorry, whatever. Please come to the next.
Alin?
Go.
Oh, fuck. Ano paste? Yung may mukha ko.
Are we going straight na kinate? You want to change a car? Siguro pag narinig ng mga vloggers mo yung joke ko, baby, baka sumikat ka na.
Wala nga ako maintindihan sa joke mo kanina eh. Ang dumi ko.
Sabi ko lagnat kanina, malinis-linis ko. Nag-tissue ako kasi, honey. Yeah, 86 is fucking disrespectful.
Guys, sorry for the bad quality kasi madilim na. Ginagamit ko lang yung dome light ko. So, tatapusin ko na yung video dito. Wala na kaming gagawin. So, salamat sa panonood. Thank you for watching. Sa mga international viewers ko dyan, kung meron man. Please like, share, and subscribe sa mga bago pa dyan. At hit nyo na rin yung bell button para updated kayo lagi sa mga bagong videos. At saka mag-leave kayo ng comments down below kung ano pa yung mga gusto nyo makita in the future. Bala ko talaga mag-POV videos, yung mga cruise around with friends and stuff. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.